Oh no, you lost both caps for your Reliance 6-gallon water jug. So here is my improvised field solution. This is a Walmart Leatherman clone bit extender. Look for a 1/4-inch bit extender in your toolbox. Fits perfectly. This is butyl tape used to seal a roof fan. Okay, this is clear RTV, and this cap is from this. So, take off the cap, remove the cardboard, remove the white piece, trim the edges off the white piece, scrape it like this on a file until you can get it to snap in the threads. Okay, put some RTV on top of it, squish it in, and then glue the gasket to the other side. And then you won't have this problem again. Uh-oh, might need a replacement gasket. But this will give you an airtight seal. Say you're out camping and you're hauling gray water, you just need to make it to the next location. That's how you fix it. Butyl tape, RTV, boom.